There are 3 different types of spinach, and they are semi-Savoy spinach, smooth leaf spinach, and crinkly Savoy spinach. Here are the varieties of spinach you will find at farmers markets and grocery stores. Red spinach. Growing in popularity, striking red spinach leaves are round, thick, and rich green with an attractive red center. Tender and very tasty, the flavor of this lovely variety is deliciously sweet and succulent. Baby spoon spinach. Rich green, baby spoon spinach is a Savoy-type spinach, but, as its name suggests, is smaller in size than regular Savoy. Crispy and coarse, it is sweeter than the larger variety. The tender small stems are edible, too. Smooth or flat leaf spinach. With broad, flat, spade-shaped leaves, smooth-leafed spinach varieties are easier to clean than Savoy or even semi-Savoy types. These qualities make it the choice of commercial producers of canned and frozen spinach. But flat-leaf spinach is sold fresh as well. Savoy spinach. With crinkly, curly leaves and a dark green color, Savoy spinach leaves are springy and crisp. Semi-Savoy spinach. The slightly crinkled leaves of semi-Savoy offer some of the crisp texture of Savoy but are not as difficult to clean. It is cultivated for both the fresh market and for processing. For more research-based home remedies and natural health tips, subscribe to the channel.